Don't let them catch you looking.
Do you think somebody's gonna throw a rock?
It's a possibility. They hate us enough.
We're not exactly the Hatfields and the McCoys.
Nothing so rustic. More like the Borgias and the Medicis.
That ended pretty nasty as well, too.
A lot of matricide.
You think that Jason killed his mother?
People are capable of all sorts of things, under the right pressures.
Well, there's plenty of pressure right here in this house.
Why did you send Toby after me?
I didn't. He went on his own. Why did you lie about seeing him in London when you hadn't?
On a practical level, there's no difference between me seeing him and knowing he was there.
Then on a practical level, why lie about it?
I was trying to keep Ren out of it. Mom and Dad are worried enough without me dragging him back into things.
And who do you think they're more worried about? Me or you?
Worry less about me, Spencer, and more about yourself. You brought Allison back home, safe and sound. Good for you. Frankly, I wish you would have left her where you found her, but you didn't. She's back in the bosom of what's left of her family. Now stay away from her and the rest of them.
I'm related to parts of that family. And so are you.
And blood is thicker than water.
That's what they say.
It can also be very slippery.